Okay, this is my Acme project, so when we click up here on our account tab, it loads and you can see that it's an action up here inside of the navigation rather than an actual page that we're clicking on. And you can type in your email, your password, and then when you click login, it obviously doesn't take you anywhere because we haven't gotten that far in the project yet. Or we can create an account down here. Click on that once again. You can see up here that it's just taking us to an action rather than an actual page, and we can type in a first name, last name. Say we don't feel like entering an email, then it's going to tell us that we have to because it's required, and it'll do that for every single one that we don't fill out, whether or not it's part of it. And now, if we go up here to our validator, first we'll validate the CSS. We're good. Then we'll validate this registration page for a new member with that HTML. It's good. And then we'll go back and we will register, we'll do our login screen. So validate local HTML on the login. And that one's good too. No errors. Oops. And that's it for this video.